What's going on, guys? On today's video we're going to be doing simple moto maintenance, specifically on how to clean your motorcycle chain, and this will prevent rust from building up on your motorcycle chain and also keep it from tearing apart when you're riding on the streets. Let's get right into it. I'll show you what tools you'll need. So everything you need for chain cleaning isn't really that much. We'll get started with the chain cleaner and chain wax. For me, I personally go with the Maxima brand. After that, it's just shop towels. If you don't want to use the blue shop towels that can sometimes shred onto the chains, go ahead and get yourself just some shop rags. And also you'll need your chain cleaning brush. Then after that, just your rear bike stand. And that's pretty much it, guys. And I'll leave everything in the description below, and these will be products all from Amazon, so check it out. Let's go ahead and get started with the steps to clean your bike chain. Alright, first things first, guys, you're going to want to pick up your bike with the rear bike stand. Real simple process, just stand the bike up straight, make sure that everything's secured on your sliders, and then go ahead and lift it up from the back. Once you lift the bike up, go ahead and give it a little shake, making sure that everything is secured. Alright guys, once that's done, go ahead and grab your chain cleaner. And I also recommend the mechanic's chair, or a chair that sits low, otherwise you'll be on your hands and knees and that's pretty much uncomfortable. Also, I usually like to lay down a piece of cardboard below the tire. That way if I need to set it down, nothing is gonna get on the tires. So to get started, we're gonna go ahead and spray our chain cleaner, and we're gonna let it set for a couple of minutes. For me, I like to spray it along the sprocket and the chain, and you're just gonna rotate the tire as you go. Once it's been sitting for a couple minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the brush, and we're just gonna loosen up any of the grime that's on the chain. When you're using the brush, you just wanna press in first, and then angle it to the side, just like that, so it gets the side of the chain, and then angle it the same way on the other side. And I'll show you guys from a different angle. So on the bottom, I'll just press up. And then angle it in one direction. So at this point, you can go ahead and grab your shop towels and clean up the chain. But for me, I like to wash my bike every time I clean my chain. So I'll show you guys both ways on how to do it. So with the rag, I'll usually just fold it up into halves and then press against the chain and just wipe until there's no more grime coming off of the chain. So I'll get in between the rollers and then press against the side just like I did with the brush. And also I'll do the bottom as well. This one I'll just grab a hold of the whole thing. Once the rag comes out nice and clean, or if you think it's clean enough, you can go ahead and spray your wax at this point, but I'm gonna go wash the bike and we'll get back to finishing up the process. Alright guys, so if you went and washed the bike, you want to make sure that your chain is dry before you put on the wax. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the rag and dry these chains. Once your chain's cleaned and dried, you'll go ahead and grab your chain wax. And if we look at the instructions right here, you guys are gonna go ahead and rotate the tires in the direction that power is delivered and then spray it on the bottom side. So I'll go ahead and take my wax and we'll spray it from the top down, and then we're gonna rotate the tires this way. And you just want to coat enough for one rotation. You don't want to oversaturate the chain with the wax. And that's pretty much it for chain cleaning, guys. You're gonna want to let the bike sit for about an hour before you go ahead and ride it, or just let it sit overnight. If you guys like the video, go ahead and subscribe. I do moto vlogging, moto maintenance like this, and post a video once a week. I want to thank you guys. Until next time, ride safe out there. See you later.